Community-based correction. What are the advantages and disadvantages of community-based corrections? The advantages and disadvantages of utilizing community-based correction as an alternative to incarceration. Community-based corrections, also known as community supervision or non-custodial sentencing, involve the supervision of individuals who have committed offenses in the community rather than in traditional correctional facilities like prisons. Advantages of community-based corrections. Number 1. Rehabilitations focus. Community-based corrections programs often prioritize rehabilitation and reintegration into society. They provide offenders with access to education, job, training, counseling, and other services to address the root causes of their criminal behavior. Number 2. Cost effectiveness. Community-based corrections are generally more cost-effective than incarceration. Supervising offenders in the community is too often cheaper than housing them in prisons, leading to potential cost savings for the criminal justice system. 3. Reduce recidivism. Research has shown that community-based corrections programs can help reduce recidivism rates by providing support and resources to offenders. These programs aim to prevent them from reoffending and becoming repeat offenders. 4. Community support. Offenders in community-based corrections programs often receive support from their families, friends, and community organizations. This social support can positively impact their rehabilitation and reintegration efforts. Disadvantage of community-based corrections. Number 1. Lack of supervision. One of the challenges of community-based corrections is the difficulty in monitoring offenders in the community. Ensuring compliance with program requirements such as curfew and treatment programs can be more challenging outside of a controlled correctional facilities. Number 2. Limited resources. Community-based correction programs may funding constraints leading to limited resources for services such as counseling, substance abuse treatment, and mental health support. This can hinder the effectiveness of these programs in addressing the needs of offenders. Number 3. Public perception. There may be negative public perception and stigma associated with community-based corrections, especially concern related to public safety and community resistance to having offenders in their neighborhoods. Overcoming these perceptions can be challenge for program implementations. Number 4. Program variability. Community-based corrections programs can vary in quality and availability of services across the vendor's jurisdiction. Inconsistencies in program design and resources may impact the outcomes and effectiveness of this program for offenders. Overall, while community-based corrections have the potential to provide effective alternatives to traditional incarcerations and support the rehabilitation of offenders, they also face challenges related to supervisions, resources, public perception, and program consistency. Efforts to address these disadvantages and enhance the advantages of community-based corrections are crucial for the successful implementation of these programs in the criminal justice system. Thank you.